Ever wondered what happens when you press the clutch pedal in a manual car? It's the magic behind those smooth gear shifts and that raw, connected driving experience. Today, we're diving deep into how a clutch works in a manual transmission, exploring the mechanics, modern innovations, and why it's still a favorite in 2025. Buckle up and let's get started. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. What is a clutch? A clutch is the unsung hero of a manual transmission. It's a mechanical device that connects and disconnects the engine's power to the transmission, letting you shift gears without grinding or stalling. Think of it as a translator between the engine's raw power and the wheel's motion. Without it, your car would lurch or stall every time you tried to change gears. Key points. The clutch sits between the engine's flywheel and the transmission input shaft. It allows the driver to control power delivery, especially during starts, stops, and gear changes. Modern clutches are designed for durability, efficiency, and performance, often using advanced materials like carbon composites in high-end sports cars. Anatomy of a clutch. Let's pop the hood on the clutch itself. A typical clutch in a manual transmission has 5 main components. 1. Flywheel. A heavy disc attached to the engine's crankshaft storing rotational energy. 2. Clutch disc. A friction disc that transfers power from the flywheel to the transmission. It's lined with high-friction materials like organic compounds or ceramics in modern performance cars. 3. Pressure plate. This clamps the clutch disc against the flywheel to engage power transfer. 4. Release bearing. Pushes against the pressure plate to disengage the clutch when you press the pedal. 5. Clutch cover. Houses everything and bolts to the flywheel. Have you ever driven a manual? Drop a comment with your favorite car to shift gears in. How the clutch works. Here's how it all comes together. When you press the clutch pedal, the release bearing pushes against the pressure plate, freeing the clutch disc from the flywheel. This disconnects the engine from the transmission, letting you shift gears without grinding or stalling. Let's break it down in 3 scenarios. 1. Starting from a stop. You press the clutch, select first gear, and slowly release the pedal while adding throttle. The clutch slips briefly, smoothly transferring power to get you moving. 2. Shifting gears. Press the clutch, shift to the next gear, and release. The clutch ensures a seamless transition. 3. Stopping. Press the clutch to disengage the engine, preventing a stall as you brake. Modern trends and innovations. Manual transmissions are still alive in 2025, thanks to enthusiasts and innovative engineering. Here's what's new. Lightweight materials. High-performance clutches use ceramics and carbon composites for faster shifts and heat resistance, seen in cars like the Porsche 911 GT3. Dual-clutch inspiration. Some manuals now borrow tech from dual-clutch automatics, like pre-engaged gears for quicker shifts. Hybrid manuals. Emerging hybrid systems pair manual clutches with electric motors for instant torque, blending old-school feel with modern efficiency. Driver aids. Electronic clutch-by-wire systems and adaptive software make manuals more forgiving, appealing to new drivers. Are manuals worth it in the age of automatics and EVs? Let us know in the comments. That's the clutch. Simple yet brilliant, blending classic engineering with modern tech. Want to learn more? Check out our next video on mastering manual driving techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive deep dives.